Okay guys, it's Alex Train Spotter HD, and welcome back to another new video on this Saturday afternoon. Now, obviously as we know guys, we're in lockdown now in England, so my videos throughout November will be different. Hence why I'm recording near a level crossing. Nice tone by the castle set. So yeah, like I said, actually, I'll tell you the rest once this castle set goes past. This will be a Great Western Railway service from Bristol to Meads, not from Bristol to Meads, from Penzance to Bristol to Meads. Get it right, Alex, you moron. .43097 at the front, Castle de Regal. .43093 at the back, the old oak common. So yeah, like I was saying guys, my videos throughout the month of November will be different. Like I said, due to the lockdown. I'm just going to record what I can. Obviously I won't be able to record on Exeter St David's train station, unfortunately, because it is a main big station, and unfortunately Central Travel is back in operation, at least for the duration of the lockdown. And obviously hopefully it is a hopefully, or a big if I should say, once lockdown gets lifted on December the 2nd, then I can get back to making my usual videos anywhere I like. But for the time being, I'm just going to record where I can. Obviously, like I said, during here at level crossings, maybe near a footbridge, I can record at obscure locations. So yeah. So in this video, you'll be seeing services from Great Western Railway, Cross Country and South Western Railway in this video. Well, hopefully South Western Railway if they go to the new yard, which is just down from me. So yeah, obviously during the week I'm at work, so there won't be no videos at work during the week when I'm at work. Would help if I can get my words right. So yeah, there is another turbo that's come down from Bristol this morning. It's on the Barnstable line. I'm hoping to record that turbo on a separate video. So yeah, hoping to do 2 videos today guys. So we'll come back in a few seconds with some more trains. Okay guys, we're back. Next train to make an appearance will be a Great Western Railway service to Penzance from London Paddington. Now as we're in lockdown now, will these IETs be in shorter formats? I've been told that they're going to be keeping to the 9 and 10 coaches still. That was the orange guard on the lower crossing, telling people to cross the lower crossing, but the passengers wouldn't listen. They must be deaf. So I'll length for this video, hoping to make near 20 minutes if I can. It won't be a super long video. I don't think my videos during the month of November, they won't be super long guys. I just record what I can and get, obviously. Obviously once December comes round again and everything goes back to somewhat normal, I can make much longer videos again. 802006 is at the front. It is a 10 coach one. .802.008 at the back. Okay guys, back. As you can see in the far distance, the Great Eastern Railway Service 2 London Paddington's coming. I don't know if you could just about see that. It looks like it's only 5 coaches, so we'll see that go out very shortly. Okay guys, coming up the line now will be a Great Eastern Railway Service to London Paddington. 405 coaches this one. $802,001 is the number on the train. Okay guys, well, obviously we'll see. I think the Barnstable train is due to come in shortly as well, and that South Western Railway train from the New Yard will come in as well. So those will be the next 2 trains you'll see on the video. So we'll come back then. Okay guys, coming up the line now will be a Great Eastern Railway service from St James's Park to Barnstable. Apologies guys, it's not coming from Barnstable, it's coming from St James's Park to Barnstable. I can never get my facts right. Nonetheless, Great Western 158 is coming up the line. It's the 158958. Okay guys, coming in now will be a South Western Railway train for the New Yard to form the 1425 service to London Waterloo. $159,108 is the number at the front in the old stagecoach livery. $159,015 at the back. I guess my followers back down again guys. 158959 on the train from Barnstable going to St James's Park. Okay guys, next train to make an appearance will be a cross-country service, first cross-country service of the video. Be a HST as well from Edinburgh going to Plymouth. This one is on time. I'll be told that the turbo is down here on the Barnstable line will be coming here around about 20 to 4, so we'll be recording that on a separate video. $43,304 at the front. 43207 at the back. And a South Western Railway service has arrived from London Waterloo. We may see that go out to the new yard in a minute. We'll get a real close-up a very close-up shot of it, I should say, once it goes past. So yeah, we'll come back soon with some more trains. In fact, before I do that, here's a close-up shot of that South Western Railway train has just arrived, going all the way up the platform. Oh. Okay guys, we're back, and we got that South Western Railway service, well, we're going into the new yard now. That came from London Waterloo earlier. The 159 in the newer livery, looks like the older livery at the back, 159005 at the front. Got the older livery at the back, and the number is the older livery, looking rather filthy, could do with a wash. One 105 is the number at the back. Quite a nice mild day today, like I said guys, 15 degrees for a November day is quite mild, yes. And it's dry, which is the main thing, so yeah. I think these videos are going to make throughout November. It depends on the weather. If it's a day like this, and then I'll come out and make a video. If it's peeing down with rain, then, well, no chances there. Okay guys, we're back in a few minutes with some more trains. Okay, next train to make an appearance guys will be a terminating service from London Paddington. Again, we have to guess what number of coaches this has. The one that went to London Paddington earlier only had 5 coaches. The one that came from London Paddington had 10. So obviously a lot of variety of coaches when it comes to IETs, I would have thought, during the lockdown period. This one will be terminating onto platform 6. There's a few more little trains I want to get on camera before ending the video. I want to get another cross country train on video. Obviously you only seen one cross country. Looks like this one has 9 coaches, I think. 802-109 is the number on the train. This one does have 9. Hardly any people on that train, which is probably obviously good to see, because it's like people are abiding by the rules, where you could only really travel by train if you need to go to work, etc. You can't travel on the train for leisure purposes now at the moment, unfortunately. Okay guys, we're back in a few minutes with some more trains. Okay guys, next train to make an appearance will be another IET, and yes, it's come from London Paddington guys. See how many coaches it has got on this one. (802-004) is the number on the train. Only 5 coaches. Few people on that train, laughably. So it'll be a busy period of trains, guys. As you see, there's another IET has just arrived on platform 5 going to London Paddington. That South Western Railway train that is down in the new yard, that will come in to platform 1 shortly to form a service to Waterloo. Well, it will do, hopefully, but there's a 150 on platform 1 at the moment. Keep the camera rolling for the Great Western Railway service to London Paddington. It is leaving now. Number of coaches on this one. (802.016) at the front. This one's got 10 coaches. And 802.007 at the back. Okay guys, we're back, and coming up the line now will be the return of the 158959 working a service to Barnstable. I haven't seen a 959 down here for a while, guys. Also, as you know, 959 is my follower, so yeah, in a way, good to see it again. Looking, still looking rather clean as well. Okay guys, well there's about 3 more trains I want to get on camera. One being a cross-country service to Edinburgh from Plymouth. One being a Great Western Railway service from Bristol Thames to Penzance. And we'll call it the South Western Railway train from the new yard that I think looks like is about to come in. So we will keep the camera rolling. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Like I said, during the month of November I can only record at, you know, different locations to film trains. Will only be videos at the weekend, as during the week I am at work. Yeah, like I said, I don't want to go through the month of November not making a video. I want to make something. So I'll see a slight difference now is the 159105 will be at the front, with the nearer livery 159 at the back. The 005 at the back now. Okay guys, well we'll keep the camera rolling even more, because that is the next train I wanted to get on camera. It is coming in now. It's a castle set from Bristol Thames to Penzance, or going to Penzance I should say. And one more train to get on camera after this one will be a cross-country service to Edinburgh. (43.154) at the front, Crompton Castle nameplate. (43.016) at the back, with no nameplate. Okay guys, we'll have one more train to get on camera before ending the video, and it'll be a cross-country service from Plymouth to Edinburgh, and that one is just about on time I believe, so we'll come back soon with that train. Okay guys, we're back with the last train of this video, and it'll be a cross-country service from Plymouth to Edinburgh. And I believe it is a 9 coach, according to the real-time trains app anyway. Double Voyager. 220-027 at the front, with a dirty looking 221-135 at the back. So as that double Voyager goes out guys, I'll leave it here at Exeter St David's. We're near the level crossing on this Saturday afternoon. Hope you enjoyed this video. Quite a nice little variety of trains, I've got to admit. Glad I came down here and did a video. I mean, to be honest, there's always good variety of trains at St David's, no matter what day you come. So yeah. My next video I'm going to record is a turbo coming from Barnstable, going to St James's Park. Then I'll record the return journey as well. That turbo is not too far away, and so yeah, that'll be my next video here. So until next time, from me here at the Exeter Red Cow crossing, I'll see you all soon guys. Take care.